Before the battlefield is ever seen, it is heard. The distant thunder of rotors rolls across the sky, an echo of raw power announcing the arrival of a machine built not for comfort, not for luxury, but for combat. This is not a civilian aircraft. This is a war-fighting helicopter, designed to survive fire, built to dominate hostile terrain, and engineered to protect lives on the ground. Today, you witness how one of the world's most lethal flying machines is born, transformed from raw metal into battlefield supremacy, inside the factory where war machines take shape. A war helicopter begins with a mission: close air support, troop insertion, anti-armor combat, reconnaissance under fire. Every requirement shapes the design, from speed and agility to armor and overwhelming firepower. Military engineers simulate combat scenarios long before the first component is built, testing the aircraft against enemy fire, extreme heat, choking dust, night operations, and electronic warfare environments. This machine is not designed simply to fly. It is designed to fight and to survive. Unlike civilian aircraft, war helicopters are armored from the inside out. Ballistic-resistant aluminum, Kevlar and ceramic armor panels, and radar-absorbing composite materials form a protective shell. Each material is relentlessly tested against gunfire, explosions, and extreme stress, because this aircraft will fly directly into danger, not away from it. The fuselage becomes a flying fortress. CNC machines carve armored panels with absolute precision, while composite sections are molded to reduce radar signature. Reinforced frames shield the crew and protect vital systems. Every structure is designed to absorb damage and keep the helicopter airborne. In combat aviation, redundancy is survival. Rotor blades on a war helicopter are fundamentally different. Thicker, stronger, and engineered to keep turning even after taking hits. They are built from advanced composites that allow controlled flexibility without failure. Each blade is balanced to perfection, forming a rotor system that delivers lift, agility, and dominance in the most hostile combat zones. Combat demands instant response, and the transmission system delivers it. Power from the engines is converted into relentless torque through hardened gears, shock-resistant shafts, and emergency lubrication systems. Even when damaged, this system must continue to function because bringing the crew home is not optional. War-fighting helicopters rely on engines built for extremes. Sand, heat, high altitude, and combat damage are expected, not exceptions. Turboshaft engines are assembled with reinforced components and protected intakes, then tested under simulated battlefield conditions. This is raw power, refined and disciplined for war. Modern warfare is digital, and the cockpit reflects it. Advanced avionics provide real-time battlefield awareness, while targeting systems track enemies day and night. Electronic countermeasures detect and jam threats, supported by infrared sensors, radar warning receivers, and missile approach alerts. This helicopter sees the enemy before the enemy ever sees it. Weapons integration transforms the aircraft into a true combat platform. Chain guns, rocket pods, anti-tank guided missiles, and air-to-air weapons are installed, aligned, and calibrated with extreme precision. Fire control computers link pilot vision directly to weapon accuracy, ensuring that every shot counts. Inside the cockpit, everything is built for survival. Crash-resistant armored seats, reinforced cockpit glass, and night vision-compatible lighting surround the crew. Controls are designed for gloved hands under stress, with every switch positioned for instinctive use. This is not a cockpit for comfort. This is a fighting cockpit. During final assembly, everything comes together. Fuselage, engines, rotors, weapons, and avionics merge into a single system. Technicians move with discipline and precision, guided by military-grade checklists. The helicopter is no longer a collection of parts. It is now a fully integrated combat system. Before combat comes proof.